Wa alaikum assalam. Can you pray during the adhan? No, if you have started and the adhan is being delivered, then you can continue your prayers. But if the adhan is going on, then at least it won't take 2 minutes. So just wait for another 2 minutes, give the reply to the adhan, and you can, alhamdulillah, afterwards you can pray. But if, as I said, that if adhan there's no harm in that. General understanding, you can pray still while you are praying, listening to the adhan. Nobody can say that. Like now, there's no hadith where it says when somebody is already praying and if he hears the adhan, he has to stop from his prayer and respond to the adhan. No. Is that the responding to the adhan is the matter when you are sitting normally and then you hear the adhan. At that time, you can't just ignore the adhan and go and start your Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. No, you can't do that. It's better that listen to the adhan, respond to the adhan, because Rasulullah did say that قُولُوا مِثْلَ مَا يَقُولُ الْمُؤَذِّنِ, say as the muazzin is saying. So we have to listen to the adhan and we have to respond to the adhan, and then we can go for the